welcome to another video. We are doing another school vlog because it was requested, and today's fun. We're going to have a car show, which is crazy. Like, who has car shows? But I'm so excited for it. So yeah, let's go. This is my outfit. Pretty basic, but yeah, it's gonna be like 80 degrees, so yeah. And then it's car time. Woo! Hello guys, today we are here with Lauren. Lauren, what's your favorite thing about weightlifting?
I like lifting more weights than other people.
That's great. Today we are sitting here and doing nothing.
My favorite thing to do.
Look, you got $2 at okay. Here, let's go to the cone ice. Oh, that's a long line. Shit. Hey, look at that one. Oh my gosh. You're gonna be the curve, Nikki, you didn't want my car. What kind of Big Booty Zay? Where's Big Booty Zay? Should we even cut that far up? Should we even just sit? That's a nice word. I'm so excited to ruin her day. I cannot wait. Where is she? Okay, where is the line? You just go in there. I can just. Caesar, can you zoom in? Can you smile? I can't see myself. The brightness is so booty. I hope that's a good photo. Okay, let's go. I was sweet that way. I don't know about you. Goodbye. It's so beautiful. Guys, we are here with okay, so I have a question for you. Yes. How did you like the car show and the overall lunch? I loved it.
I said it so loud. I said it so loud. Anyways, continue.
That was really loud. Are you self-conscious because that was really loud?
No. Be
Good
brave.
Be brave, be proud.
Be proud, be confident.
Be who you are for your pride. But yeah, day 1 through 10, 10 out of 10.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
See you later.
Go, say whatever you want. Go.
I gotta fix my hair. My hair and my oh, did my balls fit? No. What is on my? Okay, sorry. Hey guys, what are you doing? Where's my? Oh, I see it. So beautiful. Anyways.
Did they see that?
See what? Miranda, whoa, hey, what's up?
Welcome back to Miranda.
You did it? Oh my god, another one.
Hey yo, who's the best? Me, obviously. Me. First, second, third. Sorry about that, Omri. Have fun. Wow, Aubrey, you can throw a hat at me, but you can wear one I made for you.
I'm sorry. Okay.
That's so fake of you. Why did you? Next time.
Alright, fine then. Go. Pick a number.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick a color.
Yellow.
Y-E-L-L-O-W. I mean O-E. Not little, that's big.
Hey, Miranda. What's up, brother? For games, for plays. What's up, brother?
QQ.
Ready? Wait. Put it in my pocket. Oh, wait. Come on. What does it say?
Whenever my parents go to the store, they just
You're going for at the age of 20, and you're gonna be lonely every single
Jokes
day.
on you,
And
like
then,
you don't even have
you're gonna come crawling to me like, Miranda, all the good times we had together. And I'll be like, you still haven't paid me back for all those snacks I gave you.
What's that? You gave me like one salt and vinegar chips literally months ago. I feel hurt. Keep what going? Oh, shoot. Keep your mama going.
Why is your paper so uneven?
Why are you bullying me? Got you there. Oh, I just kicked your butt. I'm sorry.
You should be. You will be.
I just can't do this anymore. I'm going back to my seat.
Anyways, y'all, this is Homeboy's replacement, the better one. Oh, my Dorito. Excuse me. Yeah, excuse you. Excuse you, Homeboy. I'm going to Miranda's side. I'm going to be Miranda. You'll never be good enough. You'll never be good enough. No, you're original. That's why nobody's trying to take your side. Are you going to take a break? I got you guys.
No, but it's... I'm leaving.
Do you know what she said? She said due to statistics. She said due to statistics, I'm more likely to go to jail. Because I said I'm taking her to jail.
I'm doing my list.
So what's up, brother?
Guys, don't take a picture, please. It looks silly.
Wait, dude, the Italian, Aubrey, the Italian thing, like,
Oh my god.
yes.
Oh, the bell's gonna ring soon. Wait, it's right there this whole time.
Oh, for real? Oh, it was right too. 42, guys.
Guys, we gotta go.
Slowly moving away. She's taking 10 years. I'm slowly running away.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I just realized that I did not film an outro. So thank you for watching. I'm sorry I didn't do a lot of clips. I kind of forgot that I was making a video until the car show happened. So yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Next week is my birthday week. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to film videos for that week, and I can't wait to go crazy. And I hope I have fun, and I hope it's cray and all that stuff. I don't know where else I'm going with this, but I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see the videos that I have, all the ideas. I'm thinking about doing a week of outfits, my birthday wish list, so then my friends that watch my videos know what I want, because yeah. And I can't wait. And then the next week's my Sweet 16, so I may make a video for that type of stuff. So next week, next week, like freaking the 9th through 12th is gonna be my birthday week, and then the 13th through 18th is my Sweet 16 week. So expect videos on that. So yeah, see you later. Goodbye. Have a good day, and I wish you guys all awesomeness and stuff like that. Bye.